Hayden, where's Bert? Can you find Bert? Where's Bert? Yay, Bert! Very good. Where is Elmo? Where's Elmo? Elmo! Good job. And Hayden, where is Count Von Count? Where is he? Yes, Count Von Count. And Hayden, where is Abby Cadabby? Where's Abby? Oh, Abby Cadabby! Good job. And Hayden, where is Snuffleupagus? Where's Snuffy? Yay, Snuffleupagus! And Hayden, where is Katie? Where's Katie? There's Katie! Very good. And what about Super Grover? Where's Super Grover? Yes, Super Grover. Very good. And what about, where is Ernie? Ernie! Where's Ernie? Where's Ernie? Can you find Ernie? Where's Ernie? Oh, there he is! Very good. And where's Spot the dog? Where's Spot? Spot the dog. Very good. Yes. And what about, where is Zoe? Where's Zoe? There you go. Very good. And what about Grover? Where's Grover? That's Super Grover. There's Grover. Very good. Snuffleupagus! Good job, buddy.